So it's about 4:30, just past 4:30. Just really just sitting here relaxing, kind of nodding off a little bit. Like, it's good times though. It's good medicine, as Hike with Mike would say. You know, I heard music, and then I heard a car, and this like Jeep went driving by. I could hear just booming music. That's one thing about me that I do when I come out here. I don't like listening to music when I come out. I want to hear nature. I mean, it's bad enough I have to hear cars, but I understand that it's a necessity for people to get up here, because, you know, I mean, I've seen a couple people riding their bikes up, which is cool, but, you know, the car I can live with. The music, I don't like any kind of music player out here. I mean, I'll listen to music on the drive in and the drive home sometimes. Oftentimes when I hit the National Forest Road, I just turn the radio off and I drive up in silence, or I'm just letting I'm just letting whatever's going on in my head go. Yeah, it's been just really relaxing. I'm all dried out, not sweating anymore from all the wood working, so probably get the fire going here fairly soon. Just kind of relaxing. Went walking around, walked way over there, came swinging around. This car stopped and asked me some questions about where they could park their trailer by the river. I gave them the best advice I could, but hopefully it helped. Hopefully they find something. They said they were coming up Tuesday, so they came up today to pre-scout. So, yep, just totally relaxing. I left my hat in the car, but it's alright. Maybe next time I'll go get it. Good times. Real good times. The best part is, work can't call me, so I can just sit here and relax. Ah, hell yeah. Good medicine. I needed this too. So hey, just checking in. Actually, I'm currently shooting a Bannock video, which is right here. I'm waiting for it to cool down. Now, I normally wouldn't put a log across like that because it could roll off. But because it's early enough in the evening and I'm here watching it, and I'm going to be up until dark, so I have no plans of going to bed. What I'm going to do is just put the fuel I have over here and just pack it around the middle until it burns through, and then just move it into this, and then just move it in. So it just saved me a lot of sawing. So yeah, it's a bit of laziness, but as soon as my Bannock's done, I can eat dinner. It's a little later than I wanted it to be, but it's not too bad. So it's been a really good day, though. It's only about let's see. Yeah, it's almost 7 o'clock. This is kind of my view. Here, that's the river just through the trees there. You can probably hear it. And there's some other camps down over here. In fact, my last, oops, sorry. Camera was crooked. The other day we were down here camping, and we weren't camping, but we were doing day stuff. And you know, my tarp shelter is over here, just behind this stump. So not my tarp shelter, my hammock. So good times. See if my Bannock's cool enough to eat. So hey, just kind of checking in. Just been a really relaxing day, man. Just kicking back. I mean, the only work I had to do was firewood, really, set up my hammock. But I spent most of the evening just kicking back, having a nice refreshing beverage. Oh yeah. Looks like it's getting a little dark on the view screen, so I'll let you know how the hammock works out in the morning. Good times, man. Good times. It's nice getting out. Needed it. Got a nice fire going. If I should turn and show you. I can't tell if you can see that. So yeah, there it is. I still have some wood left, not a whole lot, right over here. I don't know if you can see that, but I have some over here too that I'm going to cut up in the morning if I need it, depending on how much I burn up. Thanks, Smoke. It's only 8:30 right now, so. Oh. Dang. Morning one and all. Time to get the day started. Okay, so how did the hammock work out? Well, the hammock worked great. The pillow worked really well. The sleeping pad worked very well, except I was cold in the back of my biceps. So back here was kind of cold, so I had trouble sleeping only because of that. So I was using the wool blanket, which didn't really work. Gave it a shot. I'm really glad I brought this Mormont Trussels bag. It saved the day. I mean, even though I was cold. I busted this out of the truck. The minute I crawled into it, I mean, I was already feeling warmth hitting me, so it was already radiating body heat. It's a 15-degree Mormont Trussels. Love that bag. So I ended up using the wool blanket. I guess I can show you. Under me. So I put the blanket down all the way underneath, and that kept my shoulders or the back of my arms from getting cold. And then I was able to get some sleep. So slept pretty well actually. It wasn't cold anywhere else. I wasn't cold anywhere else. My back was fine. I just cannot adjust this thing. My back was fine. My feet were fine. My legs are fine. Just the only part was just back here. So definitely gonna get an underquilt though. I definitely gotta work on hanging it too. And I realized something last night that I was like, oh, which I'll go over. Come on, bugs. So yeah, good night overall. Good times. Really don't know. I have no idea what time it is, but I think I know. Oh, I know what time it is. It's cup of coffee time. So I gotta get my fire rolling and get my breakfast going. I don't think I'm gonna stay too long today because I gotta get home and I gotta edit videos. I have 3 outings worth of videos I have to edit. So I get a hammock wrapped up and. First, let me get the fire rolling because I need coals. Greetings one and all, good morning. The morning of my solo outing. Time to get my day going. Need fire for coffee, so I'm not gonna dick around with the fire today. I'm just gonna use, which I dropped again, a zip fire starter and a lighter. I don't want to mess around with it. Yeah, I love these zip fire starters. That's what I like about those zip fire starters, man. You don't even have to use any really small materials. I didn't have any little, like, tiny pencil lead size fuel, but yet, boom, I still got fire going. Good stuff. I mean, proof's kind of in the pudding. I mean, I didn't break anything down. I just used the mid-sized fuel I had. Alright. That's that. That's what I call a quick fire.